Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends. Make sure your PS5 is updated and your Airpods are charged. Put the Airpods in pairing mode while you connect the Bluetooth adapter to the PS5 USB port. Once done, verify the adapter's LED indicates pairing mode. You do this because PS5 lacks native AirPods Bluetooth support. The adapter bridges that gap. Keep the Airpods case open near the adapter and console, and make sure no other device is actively paired to the Airpods. You press the adapter's pair button and immediately open the Airpods case to put them into pairing mode. Wait until the adapter's LED changes color or pattern to confirm connection. This visual cue means the adapter and Airpods are linked. Then go to PS5 settings, sound audio output, and choose the USB audio device or the adapter name. Make sure to set output device and adjust volume so in-game audio routes through the Airpods rather than TV speakers. You now test gameplay and voice chat to confirm both audio and mic function. If voice isn't working, check PS5 input device and enable the adapter as the mic source, then adjust mic level so others can hear you. If you notice latency or dropouts, make sure the adapter supports low-latency codecs or try moving it away from Wi-Fi routers and other interference. As a final tip, reset the Airpods and repair the adapter if connection instability persists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.